Growing hydroponically can be intimidating if you don't know where to start, but it's actually really simple. It just means growing without soil. There are many different ways to grow hydroponically, but one of the best is with a recirculating system. The Root Farm Hydro Garden System is a water-based recirculating growing device that continuously pumps nutrient solution to your plants. You control the growing environment, so it's easier to give your plants exactly what they need to thrive. The first step to growing with the Root Farm Hydro Garden System is starting your seeds or cuttings in the Root Farm Seed Starting Kit. Once they're big enough and you can see the roots growing outside of the plugs, they're ready to be transplanted. When setting up your system, make sure to pick a level surface where it will receive 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, or near an additional outlet if you're planning on using a grow light. Keep in mind this reservoir holds 6 gallons of water, and when it's full, it'll weigh over 50 pounds, so choose your location wisely. To set up your system, first check to make sure the clear tubing inside is securely attached to the pump and the water jets. Then place 2 or 3 of the cover plates on top of the platform, allowing enough space to fill it with water and add your nutrients. Identify which planting sites will need baskets, which planting sites will need covers, and where you would like to place the water level indicator. The Root Farm Hydro Garden System can grow a wide variety of plants with the right amount of light. If you're growing leafy greens or herbs like lettuce, Swiss chard, or basil, you can grow 4 plants at a time using the outer planting sites. If you're growing medium plants like small peppers or eggplants, you can grow 2 at a time using planting sites directly across from each other. Larger plants like full-size tomatoes require more resources, so they should be grown individually using the planting site in the center. For those plants, you'll also want to add a cage or a stake in the designated slots to help support the plant as it grows larger and heavier. At this point, it's time to place your rooted plugs into the planting baskets. Then you'll fill the reservoir with water to the very bottom of those baskets. Check that the valve is set to circulate, and then plug it in. Once you have it plugged in, you'll want to add nutrients right away, while still allowing the pump to continue circulating water. No matter which plant you're growing, you'll always need to use our base nutrient, part 1, with one of our supplemental nutrients, part 2. Different plants have different needs, so which supplement you use and how much you use will depend on the type of plant you're trying to grow. Once you've added your nutrients, check the pH of your solution using pH strips or a pH meter to see if it's somewhere in the range of 5.5 to 6.5. If it's not, use Root Farm pH balance up or pH balance down to adjust. That's it for this segment on the Root Farm Hydro Garden System.